Chapter 6. Escape. Upstairs, cried Rose, holding Lily in her arms. She splashed across the parlor to the stairway. Jack grabbed his knapsack and hurried up. When they reached the second floor hallway, Jack heard glass shatter below. He looked down the stairs. The first floor windows had broken. A chunk of upstairs ceiling crashed to the floor of the hallway. It barely missed them. "This way," shouted Rose. "Be careful." Still carrying Lily, Rose led Jack and Annie into a dark bedroom. She shut the door. "There," he said. Shutting out the hurricane was impossible, though. The windows in the bedroom were broken. Glass was everywhere. Wind and rain water swirled in. Jagged pieces of roof shingles blew inside. "Get down! Cover your heads!" Rose cried, shielding Lily. Rose knelt between the wall and the bed. She and Jack and Annie crouched behind her. The baby buried her face against Rose. The house swayed back and forth. Jack felt water under his feet. It was seeping under the bathroom door. "We need to get higher," said Rose. "The roof." "How?" said Jack. "Follow me," said Rose. Carrying Lily, she led Jack and Annie out of the bedroom. The rising seawater had reached the upstairs hall. Rain was pouring through a giant hole in the roof.